welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video we're going to do some DIYs for our master bedroom, and we're going to do some nightstands and a lamp for our lampstand. We are going to start with our nightstands, and I bought two of these on IKEA. It's called Hästviskaren, and the plan is to paint these black and then have some wood ribs here so it matches the headboards and the bed. So first off, I'm going to do is to prime. This is the primer I use in my project today, but you can use any local primer you can find in your town or in your country. This is what I have at home, so I'm just going to use that. And also I'm going to use an old painting brush. I don't believe that you need to buy a new painting brush for every project if the old one is still good. So I'm going to use this one. I'm actually going to start. And yes, I know that I don't have the perfect cloth for paint, but I will just go with it. Now you just need to wait for it to dry, and it's around 25 minutes and it's dry, but you need to wait 45 minutes to paint over it. So we're going to set this aside and let it rest, and we're going to do some other projects in the meantime. Just let me clean up here before we do that. Okay, for our next project we have our lamp screen here and my black color, and 1 cup with water and 1 cup without water. Yeah, I think we are going to mix our paint first and see how much. Okay guys, now that the boxes are dry, you're going to paint them black. So we're going to start with this one. just wait for that to dry, then we're going to put it back and do the second layer, and then we're going to do the wood pieces on it. So let's count down to the drying time is done. Okay guys, it's a new day and we're going to continue with our nightstands for the bedroom makeover. And we're going to start with cutting up these wood pieces that will be on here. So I'm just going to lay this wood on here and mark on the back side. Just like that. Simple and easy. And just then cut with a saw. So I'm just going to do that. The question is, do I want the pieces to sit all together, or would I want to have this kind of design to it? Now I will just go and cut this up. See you in a bit. Now then, I have lots of small pieces and I will just use some wood glue and glue them on. Okay, now we're going to let it dry for some hours and then we're going to continue with this project. But for now, a break. Okay then, I found my handles. It's black. Let me show you. And I thought it would be really nice to have it centered.
The way I do this is that I first measure the centrum on the box and then I measure the centrum between the two holes on the handles, and then I'm just marking out on the box.
Okay. So I will use a drill and do a drill hole first, so it's easier for so I can attach the handle. I'm just going to find correct drill. Yeah. We'll do a 3 millimeters. We attach it here. So, let's see if this works. I'm going to set up my hair because I don't want my hair to get stuck in the drill. So, safety. So exciting! guys, that was everything for today. Let me know in the comment below what you think about my nightstands, and if you like this video, hit that thumb button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss future uploads.